like a little cone head. All right guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to get a logo made for your new online store. I'm gonna show you two ways, a free version and a paid version. Both you can have done within 24 hours, or if you're making it yourself, you literally can make a logo within like 5 minutes if you're really, really nifty. What's up guys, my name's Hannah Gardner, and if you're new to the channel, I talk about anything and everything that has to do with digital marketing and e-commerce and entrepreneurship online. If you are new to the channel, please do go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell because I'm putting out videos every single week about that stuff that I just said. So I'm gonna hop into my computer screen now and I'm gonna show you the first way that you can literally make a logo for free in under 5 minutes. All right, so this is a website called Canva.com. I literally use this every single day. I personally have the pro plan. It just gives you more access to some more features. But if you're on a budget and you just want to make a logo for free, there is a free plan and there is a link in the description for you to get the software. Canva is basically the most simple drag and drop Photoshop for like beginners. And I recommend it to everybody. When I first started my stores and I had zero money, I used Canva to make all of my logos myself. What I would do is just go on to Pinterest and see other logos that I like. And then for the most part, Canva has very, very similar accent graphics and stuff that you can use to replicate not anything, but the bare minimum that you need to launch. So this is the interface of Canva, and basically when you come up here and create a design, it already has pre-made templates for basically any type of graphic that you want to make. So there's Instagram posts, you know, logos, websites, Instagram stories. You can even come up here, put in like YouTube, thumbnails, like they have everything that you can think of, presentations. But what you're gonna wanna do, obviously, for this video is hit logo, and it's gonna make you the size, the 500 by 500 clear pixel already set up template for you. As you can see on the side, there's all these already pre-made templates that you can literally come in here and just edit if you just wanna go that route. A lot of these are free, as you can see here. And then obviously there is gonna be, like this one says pro. Yeah, there's obviously more in here that you might have to get a pro plan. If you are making graphics all the time, I do recommend getting the pro plan. Like I said, I use this every single day for my email marketing, just different graphics for my Instagram, for even my YouTube channel, for my thumbnails, I use it every single day. So super, super easy. You literally just click the one you want. You come in here, you drag and drop the bookstore. Super, super easy. You can move things around. It gets even more complex when you get into the elements. You can literally come in here and type in anything that you want, and they pretty much have it. And if it's something on Pinterest that you really like, most of the times you can actually find that graphic in here. I know sometimes you don't even know what the name of that graphic is, but even if it's like the first thing off the top of your head, like it's like a blob graphic that you want to use and you type in blob, you'll probably find it inside of Canva. So it's super, super simple. Most everything is customizable. You can come in here, you can change colors, you can animate things. If you're, obviously you're not going to animate this for a logo, but say you did want to make this into an animated like type of video, you can come in here, fade it in, or rise it up, and then it would download it as an MP4 file or as a video. There's just so many cool features in here that you can use. You can even upload your own stuff in here. So if you have your own elements or some type of font or text that you want to use, you can do that as well. When it comes to choosing your background, if you want to add a background, you would come here, the text. They already have these pre-fonts already kind of made for you. If you don't like any of these, you can add something like this. You can drag it up here and you can choose all of these fonts that they have here for you. Again, a lot of these are free. The ones with the little crown are paid, so you would have to upgrade to Pro. But something that's really cool that I really like is If they don't have the font that you want, you can come in here and go to your designs, and you can actually create, you can like organize all of your designs. So let me just show you. When you go to my brand kit, so like these are fonts that I actually purchased, and all you do is just upload a font here if you want it to be more custom font, which you can buy fonts anywhere on the internet, especially on Pinterest. If you go into Pinterest, you can find stuff like that to really customize it. But overall, if you are just trying to create something really fast, just the minimal viable product for you to launch, I do recommend you just coming over here and choosing one of these and then just inputting your logo. This will get the job done for you for something quick and something that you're able to launch with. Now, the second recommendation that I have is a website called Fiverr.com. And I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to actually use Fiverr and how to use it properly. So Fiverr.com actually looks like this. And this is where you're actually hiring freelancers to make basically anything for you. They do more than just logos. Obviously, you can see graphic and design, writing, translation. They do marketing. And these are just people that have made an account on Fiverr and are offering their freelance services. I use Fiverr a lot. I can show you one of the projects that I actually just started for my YouTube, not so much for my store, but they redid the banner of my YouTube channel. So if I click my orders here and click on, this is an order that I actually hired someone. I think this whole banner was only $49.48 for them to design my banner, which looks like this on this channel. But this is just to show you how the hiring process looks. So basically, you can message them before you buy to see if they can make what you want. If they say yes, you can hire them, and then you have direct communication with them. So once they send you back a draft, you can ask them to revise it. So this was the first draft, and then I asked him to change the color of it, and he literally had this done within 24 hours. But as far as a logo goes, if you are looking for a designer, you would come in here, graphic designer, hit logo design, and you can pick the type of logo that you're looking for. The only thing with Fiverr is that a lot of these graphic designers are actually probably making their logos inside of Canva, and you'll see a lot of things that look similar. So if you see something in here that they're making that you like, they're probably making it on Canva, which is something that you can just go into Canva and make yourself. But some of these are really, really cheap. Some start at like $5. And the ones that are usually putting up their service for around $5, they probably are making something that's drag and drop in Canva. If it gets a little bit more expensive, then that's when you're getting into people that are actually custom drawing out logos for you. So those are always really good options if you're looking for something more high end. But I've paid many people, you know, 10, 15 bucks, super cheap to make me logos, and they've actually come out really, really good in the past. So let's just see. One thing that I like to do is, like, if you need it within 24 hours, you can come in here and filter that out. If you want it to be under, let's say $10, apply here. Seller details, you can view top rated seller. So there's only 2 available. So yeah, I will design a cool logo, initials for Esport, Twitch, YouTube in 24 hours, 10 bucks. These actually look like he's custom making these. So that's pretty cool. Like, it's $10 for an actual custom logo. That's definitely not made in Canva. Let's see if we wanted a level 2 seller, so we have a little bit more options. Yeah, you can see a lot of these are custom, and you can tell because they're just fonts that are not inside of Canva. But yeah, one thing that's really important is the first thing I look at is the reviews. So like this guy has 4.9 reviews on 284. That's pretty good. That means he has a lot of experience. Same thing with this guy on 96 reviews, 5 stars on 62. That's amazing. For $10, like, you can't go wrong with this. If you do want to wait the 24 hours instead of the 5-minute option on Canva, this is always a really great option, and I guarantee you'll use Fiverr for Business for more than just your logo if you're starting an online business. I've used it for logos, I've used it for YouTube, I've used it for people making me intros on my YouTube channel, so like my 5-minute little intros and stuff like that. So yeah, Those are two really easy and quick options to get a logo super, super fast. And again, just looking at Canva, it is super easy, super drag and drop. Fiverr is the same way, super intuitive. Basically, you're just shopping for a freelancer, you're picking the freelancer, you have an open conversation with them. So overall, both of them are super, super easy. Yeah, and you can literally have a logo within 5 minutes or within 24 hours for under $20. All right, guys, if you got any value out of this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I'm putting out more videos regularly, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video.